Hello, bonsai friends. Today, I'm going to tell the story of a Brazilian red tree that I got long time ago. It was around 1996. It was as thick as this one approximately. And then I'm going to tell the story of how I take care of this material and also how to maintain until the shape is like this. So, please enjoy. In 1996, I was invited to India by the Indo-Japanese study group led by Mr. Nikunj Parek and his wife, Mrs. Jyoti Parek. India is a beautiful country with a lot of ancient inheritance and rich culture. At that time, Mr. Parek gave me a small plant from cutting. It was a Brazilian rain tree, or Pitecelubio tortum. The plant was originated from Brazil in Latin America. Anyhow, the Indians are very diligent in collecting bonsai materials from around the world. This Brazilian rain tree bonsai was owned by Mr. Parek. It was the mother of the cuttings given to me. It has been a long time that I intended to have a bonsai with the shape of a rain tree or Samania saman that was very popular in Indonesia. The tree grew very well in Indonesia. It was the picture in 2003. I kept on trying to design it into a rain tree or Samanya saman that I saw around us. It was the picture of the bonsai in 2006. It was very beautiful, I thought. I put it in a shallow oval pot that matched with the plant. I got a lot of wow from friends when I showed it in the internet or in the exhibition. Besides the shape that like a miniature rain tree in nature, it also had a unique trunk. You could see that it was not slender like normal tree. It has a special shape that looks like an old tree. In 2008, I moved it into a rectangular shallow pot. You could see the picture when it was with leaves or without leaves. It was the shape of the plant in 2010. In 2013, I changed the pot into an oval one. I also reduced the length of the branches a little bit. It was the picture during an exhibition in Jakarta.
This was the look of the plant in 2014 with and without leaves. In 2020, I reduced a little bit the front side so that you'd be able to see the trunk line more clearly.
So here is my Brazilian red tree of Pitechellobium tortum that I got from Mr. Barrett in 1996. It had been a beautiful bonsai for a long time, and I was very proud that I could maintain it up to this stage. It fulfilled my dream of having a rain tree or Samania Saman that grow a lot in Indonesia or even in Southeast Asia and India into a bonsai. It is a different kind of tree, but the shape of Samania Saman I really got in my Brazilian red tree. I'm really very happy and proud of this plant. You see that the trunk of Brazilian red tree is much better than Samania Saman in nature because of the shape of the trunk is so unique and nice. I hope you enjoy my presentation, and please like and subscribe to Budi Sulistyo's Tropical Bonsai channel, and hope to see you again in my channel soon.